Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you how I made this beans and yam pottage. If you are in Nigeria, you will know that this is a well-balanced diet. This combo surely are meant for each other, like they pair so well. They are so tasty, so filling and so delicious. Meanwhile, before we go ahead, if you're hearing this voice for the first time, I make recipes you find very interesting. Just take a moment and hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you. Let's go ahead into the recipe proper. In a pot, I will pour in the beans you'll be using for this recipe, and I use 4 cups of black-eyed beans for this. I will pour water big enough to cover the beans and allow it to cook. I don't usually skip this process when I'm preparing beans. This parboil process actually helps the beans become less gassy. I'm going to allow the beans to boil and bring out this first water. I actually call it the dark water. So I'm going to go over the sink, pour out this water, rinse the beans with a fresh water and bring back the beans to the pan. Now for the cooking proper, I will pour in chopped onion. Onions gives beans a very good aroma and taste. It's actually the first thing you should cook your beans with. I'll pour in water big enough to cover the beans. I'll cover the pot and allow this to cook. This has been boiling for over 15 minutes now, and the beans is almost getting ready. I'm going to pour in the yam we are doing the combo with. I've already washed and cut the yam. As we all know, yam has less cooking time than beans, so they can be added at the same time. So I'm going to be adding in the other ingredients for this. So I'll go first with adding in my smoked fish. I have already deboned the fish for this. I'll add in seasoning powder and roughly blended pepper. I use 3 Scotch bonnet pepper for this. I'll cover the pot and I'll allow this to cook. The whole combo is already coming together and the aroma smells so amazing. I'm going to be pouring palm oil to this, followed with salt and crayfish. I usually add salt towards the end of the cooking so that the cooking time for the beans can be reduced. This is the way you are not using pressure pot to boil your beans. I'm going to stir this together and allow the whole colors to align. The yam has to align with the color of the beans. So I'm just going to stir it and allow the pots, the whole combination to align together. Few minutes later, this pot of beans and yam is almost set, and this looks so amazing and the aroma is so nice. I'm going to stir it again and I'm adding in my scent leaf. What the scent leaf does is that it just takes the taste to another level. I'm going to pour in the scent leaf and I'll turn off the heat and I'll stir again. This may appear as if it is running. It is not. What this food does is that the more it gets cold, it gets firm. So this is the perfect consistency you would like to have it, because you can't take it this extra hot at this stage. You can see after a few minutes the consistency is changing. Go ahead to give this a try. It tastes so amazing, and I bet you'll be having our version of balanced diet. Thank you for watching this video to this point, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and share my recipes. I would like to see you next time, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. Bye.